Hey guys, I am going to do a review on USA Drafting, and I found some problems for some of the games. So let's do that game first, okay? I'm not really attacking, so believe me, don't make blind buildings. Well, the reason why I don't like blind buildings because um they need to have a store in it. And Thomas joined. Sorry. So enjoy the review and nice choices. If you're watching this, follow my advice and you will do it. So I see the problem is right there. How it's gone. How's the problem is that that part that part is totally broken because how I know is um I so how I know is I didn't. Okay, so how I know is you need to move the lines. So did that problem, and also I need to add a stop sign because people just can't go, and also remove that sign. That is a very big problem to me, and I really want you to improve. In this camp, I don't know. Yeah, you need to add some stop signs. And um, even though, please fix this game. And also, make speed limit signs right, and make stop signs right. And also, that one, incomplete. How I know is because they don't have the railroad signal. And also, for IDU, we don't need billboards. And besides, how I know is you need to make roads right. So how I know is you need to make stuff right. And how I even know because okay, so how I even know is the billboards and the buildings are not complete. Even though that one is incomplete. So please extend this map and make stuff right. Okay? Now let's go to let's go to Huston. Downtown Huston. Nice choices. That kid needs to make stuff right, by the way. Sorry. Sorry my internet's slow, so So I got a was from my other account. So I will go to downtown Houston. I don't know if there's two parts. So let's go to downtown Houston and see what my problem is. So I'm probably lagging. Okay, so let's go there. And also, you have made so many worse games. Nice choices. You have made so many worse games. Are you doesn't to be honest? But I see the island is so worst. I have to let you know. Even though this part not good. You need to fix this. Understand me? Or else I'm not playing it anymore. And please remove the billboards. And also, please add bed. And please add stuff to the hospital. And also, please don't make blind buildings. And please make roads right. Even though you didn't have traffic lights right. How do you even know? Because I see a lot of traffic lights are not made. Even though they need to have one light only. Just one light. Just letting you know, not attacking. And I'm doing this because you were attacking the IDU. How I know is because you said everything's worst in IDU. And look at the island, so worst. And so blind. Even though those parts, not good. So now I will go into So I'm making a video just to let you know. Now I go to Port, Texas. Right. Port, Texas. I may be doing this for Thomas, by the way, but maybe, yeah, but maybe, so, sorry, and maybe being, sorry guys, we are now going there. I may make a part 2, but I don't know. So sorry guys. Sorry. Port, Texas. I just need one thing. Even though, to be honest, you make Subway. How even though? Because even though you need a will, well, okay, not bad, but I like the horns by the way, not attacking. And also, please make it airport white. and gas station? Nah. It's but the good thing is, but one thing I have to say, you need to remove the billboards and you make signs for it. Just and like I said, I'm not attacking you, but look at this sign. You use my word, and also remove the billboards. And also, it's not Texas State. Actually, it's not a Texas in the state. It's a Michigan in the state. How I know is because it's at Joplin, Michigan, IDU, Joplin, Michigan. And also, added on because I don't even want to go on the wrong way. Great, I died. Bruh. And look. Okay, Texas join. Yeah. And also, I heard it's an open space. Police station right there, very blind. Because we can't go in probably. And look, you have some open spaces. So do one of them or I'll never think about it ever again. Got it? Even though add more glasses. If you want to make it park, that's fine. But remove open spaces. Even though I'm sorry to say this, but you were too late on those signs. So that's why I need to make stuff right. Yeah, so we can talk trash all along. Okay. Okay, I will do a part 2 now.